What is up, guys? It's your boy zlowdre here, and today is gonna be a crazy ass day. First, we're gonna go to a SACSPEEDSHOP. It's a legal sideshow. It's gonna be lit. Everybody's gonna be there. And then after, there's a little aftermath, so that's gonna be lit. I'm actually more excited about that than the event, but let's see how it goes. Make sure to subscribe and like this video because I'm gonna bring some bangers soon. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys then.
Have you heard Modesto's home for new country?
Alright, look, it's kind of raining, but hopefully it clears up in a bit. It's a little fucking sad outside.
Catch me shining in the lack of the diamond painted black, frame attack, flames back, get the fuck.
Bro, for an hour and 20 minutes, don't fucking drink this. It's gonna fucking explode your bladder. Quick pit stop, so we're gonna get a little late. It's okay. There's a long ass line that I'm seeing on Instagram, but yeah, we're gonna get there as soon as possible. Police already fucking it up. Oh, look at that badass line. This is a CHP fucking it up like always. Sheesh kebab. God damn, look at that line. Hashtag save the hair, supercar suspects. Dude. Sheesh kebab. Sheesh, 25 minutes and we moved 20 feet. Oh, hell no. This shit is clean. We at 6. Chilling outside his house. Wait. Oh, fuck. Get out of the way, bro.
1 hour later.
Almost an hour and we're still here. Sheesh kebab. Oh, damn. Stuck. 350's trying to go off-roady. The Z made it. No stuck, nothing. We're finally here. Bro, it's just bad. It's a bad ass line too to get a ticket. Sorry, man, that shit's wet. What? Should be a sense. Got that little Lambo. I'm just kidding. It's just crazy.
A
Lambo, we're doing. Everybody's. We're finally in. Look at some fucking sideshow activity. No, look at it. Holy shit, look at the line. Oh, cool. God damn, the 6 is wet. Is that carbon fiber dye? It's Highways King. Hey, that is down in the sex.
What's up with it, man? Shit chillin', man.
And I was just shout out to Snoopy. Look how packed this shit is. Damn, we got carbon fiber.
Middle finger up to my competition. I'm different, yeah, I'm different.
There's no way to get in front.
As soon as I get the okay, we'll keep it going. Just hold the line.
Top front row seat. Get a blowout and need some more tires. We got the cops out here. Give it up for the 5-0 right here, y'all. Swing it, swing it, swing it, swing it. Get it, baby, get it. Oh, tandem, tandem. shit, Satchel Tone.
What's cracking, man? How you doing, man? All right.
Oh, shit's right here. Yeah, we should have took a picture of them. I know, huh?
Just do what you do. That's
Hey, Jose, what up?
Signing board.
It's over there first, bro. Famous DJ. I'll be back. I'll probably get another video.
What's up with it? Shit, man.
It's just awesome. It's wet.
A flame dive.
Yeah, look how many cars are waiting just to swing. I'm getting this back in the pit, but I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna get some footage.
In the back. Corners. Get it.
Is it just me?
Close that door. Close that door. Stop it. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Stop. 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 Get him off the track. Kill it, bro. Kill it. Bro, stop. 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 Oh. Stop. 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 Hold on. Yo, bro.
Ain't no place, no snow. Straight chillin' with my niggas and shiver. Thinking about South Lake, thoughts on the river. Move back, nigga. Move back, nigga. Fake Jordan, that's whack ass